In the name of Allah, the most merciful and benevolent, all their deeds are saved in their filed records. Each and every matter, small or big, is precisely recorded. Translation of verse 52 and 53 of Suratul Qamar. Dear audience, do you have any idea what these filed records are? As far as the science has unfolded the technology, we, with our evaluated minds till date, are able to recognize these record files as audio-video clips of this era. The Quran is talking about, and who knows, maybe in years ahead, we would realize that these records have to do with something more advanced that we are unable to comprehend yet. After all, Allah is the creator of this whole universe, and who would know more about it than Himself? We are only His creation, and brains or no brains won't be able to gain knowledge or implement it unless He allows us to do so according to His plans. And He has sent this book so that it suffices for us till this world collapses into another. He is the one to exfoliate the knowledge slowly and gradually with the passing time. The more the human mind goes through the evolution, the more the technology develops. It's not a human miracle, it's the God's overall plan. He brought the nature into work to educate a human mind, the same way as the teachers educate students from nursery to grade 1 to O levels and A levels, and finally to graduate and do masters in the given subjects. One can't teach a grade 1 child a higher secondary school course. In the same manner, Allah has taught us gradually, year by year and century by century, and plans to do so till this world comes to an end. The only thing required by us as human beings is to submit our will to Him, at the same time keeping our minds active. That's the one and only road to success in this world and the next. For as all of us know, that a lopsided view, an imbalanced line of action, is always harmful. Thanks for listening. May Allah bless you.